Welcome back to Screentop 101. I'm Jack Rosetree, and I'm going to talk about assets, components, and objects. These are the basic elements that are going to make up pretty much everything in your game. Components are individual units that can be added to your game. So this die, for instance, it is created as a component. I've created this die. There's some information here that I can modify. But then once it is added to the board, to the game space, that makes it an object. And objects are basically just instances of your components being added to your play space. So at the moment, I have one object made from one component. If I go to this chest icon up here, I can scroll down to dice. I can select this die and add it. And now I have two objects that are both dice made from that component. I can add some more, and now I've got four objects on my tabletop, and all of these refer to the same component. And I can roll these because they're all dice. And then assets are just images that are applied to some of your components. Not all of your components need images. If you see this center board space is just gray space, it doesn't have an asset, but these letter tiles do have assets. So for instance, this Q tile says, I need this particular piece of this particular image, and it puts it on this tile. So in this case, it's looking to the letters 1 grid, and then this Q right here is being pulled over to this Q tile object. And that's pretty much it. Understanding what a component is, what an object is, and what an asset is pretty straightforward once you know what's going on. We'll get into how you manipulate those and what they mean, but just keep in mind that your components it's just a library item. It's kind of a nebulous thing that can exist. Your objects are things that are actually on your tabletop, and then your assets are images that are applied to those objects. Thank you.